That's right. You say you ordered one?
So it appears that the owner of the fine green bean jelly bean is gonna come check it out. Maybe we'll talk him into driving around the yard a little. See what he has to say.
Yeah, I didn't stop. You said you had plenty. Whoa, shit! That wasn't good.
I don't know what that was. Probably something in the yard.
I hope so. If not, we lost a piece in the car.
Foot always gets stuck.
Son of a gun.
I guess. I think Ralph wants to sell an NGA now here.
Fuel went down. It's still down.
That's about where
About where it ought to be, you think?
Yeah.
You ought to throw a blade on this. We could mow.
Gas gauge went back up.
Yeah. I can't imagine why. Whoa, shit! That wasn't good.
I don't know what that was. Probably something in the yard.
I hope so. If not, we lost a piece in the car.
Foot always gets stuck. Let's see what the hell.
I do.
Went through there.
Yeah.
Probably lost some tools or something.
That's what I'm thinking. Might want to scan it before we get carried before it gets too dark.
The kid who mows the lawn, he'll find it.
That would be a truly Ralph moment if there's a chisel or something out in the yard. My dad would go, "Dad, damn it,
Yeah.
where's my tools? God, found this out in the yard."
First isn't Sync Road.
Right? Did you double clutch?
Nope.
Oh shit.
That was first gear. Maybe these things broke in, Ralph. All right, too bad.
No?
When it's not in the yard.
It's not the yard, yeah. And once you're in, it's kind of comfortable, really.
Yeah, getting in and out.
Seats are cushioned, yeah.
Forgetting there ain't no rearview mirror.
Oh, that's right. You say you ordered one?
Nope, not yet. I haven't really found one yet.
Didn't really want to know what's going on behind you anyway.
No.
It's not important. It's not synchro at first.
You can touch them though, you know. Steering needs a little loosened up.
So we're beating between 50 and 60. Kind of, right?
Well, that could be off a little.
Yeah. Look, a lot more. We're beating it.
No.
Ah!
Yeah.
Smell those SU carbs.
Bump the timing up a little bit, I think. Get the brakes hot anyway. A couple times.
That was easier than the other side. Okay.
Just kind of aim it. You'll feel it grab and there you go.
All right.
Yeah. You know, you need to move it up.
I want to scoot it back. Will it go back further too?
Probably not. I think that one's already back as far as it'll go.
Go. All right. It's
So-
not near as comfortable as that side.
Yeah, you got to do stuff over there.
All right. We need to choke it.
You won't need to.
Okay.
It'll fire right up.
Turn the key on.
Turn the key on. And it's in gear, so of course you want to clutch it or. Yep, that's the clutch.
It's been a while. It's clutched, right?
Yep. So then here's your starter cable. It's a little hard to. You have to grab hold of it like you mean it. Pull it and jerk. Now, first, second, third, fourth. Reverse is all the way over and towards.
It's all the way towards me.
Right.
Okay, the Spitfire was the other one.
Yeah. That should be in first, I assume. You'll find out. Oh.
Nope. Oh, we got the brake on?
Yeah, nope. You're in third. Pull her back. Oh. There you go. You might have to let the clutch out a little, it'll go right in.
I can't tell.
There
Third
you go.
still or first?
That's first.
Okay. You sure?
Yep.
You're right, Ralph.
It might be third, but it goes.
Yeah, something else.
Yeah, that's third.
Okay.
So
Down, over and down. There we go.
that's reverse.
That's reverse.
Yeah. Yeah, you got it here. What the hell?
That's what we hit was the linkage.
Must have been. Here.
Oh.
No, we're jammed up or something. Must have been.
That's second, right?
Yep. Here.
We're stop.
See if that ain't reverse. Nope.
I'm hitting the brake.
Yep.
Oh, I see the problem.
Yep. You're hitting the brake probably at the same time.
There we go. I'm just gonna have to get smaller shoes.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. You got to kind of toe the gas. You can't put your foot on it because you'll hit the brakes at the same time.
Am I going the right way?
Yep.
Okay.
Second. That's what it was. You're putting your foot on the brake.
Yep. Wow.
Now go straight up. Go back to first. There you go. Yep, spun the tires. You can go. It don't matter. Just don't hit nothing.
I'm trying not to. Whee!
Third.
I'm just trying it.
Yep. On it.
This reminds me of my first motorcycle ride. You ever seen anybody stand up that's been turned like that, Ralph? Whoop.
That's first. There's first.
That was a double clutch, almost. Almost.
Pretty close, yeah.
I used to do that with spit. It didn't have the secret going out. Anyway. I like second. All right, we're parking it because I don't want to tear it up.
Oh, well. You'll have plenty of time to tear it up.
There you go. Yeah, that's tricky with the brake, isn't it?
Yeah. I want to tighten it up. I can.
Oh, and the brake pedal's got.
Yeah.
Oh, there it pumps. Okay.
Well, it's got a little play in it, so
Okay.
I'm half afraid to do it. Every time I keep hitting the brakes trying to get up the gas. What do you think, Ralph?
Cool.
I was like, well, it don't make no sense. We're jammed up, and because your foot was on the brake.
Well, we need. You know what that probably like I say, just smaller shoes.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Little tennis shoes.
I'll
or
get some pointier shoes.
Wrestling shoes or something.
Pointier shoes. Maybe cowboy boots.
See if you can. Yeah, you can get out
See
of
if I
it.
can get out with the steering wheel. I bet I can't get back in. No. It is warm in here, isn't it? Of course, we picked an 85 degrees
Right.
today.
Oh, it's
the
better
coolest
now.
day of the week.
Yeah.
That's cool.
See, everything else got little fuzzies underneath it.
Yep. Yep, that's to protect the top. I saw where this was a pain.
Oh my gosh.
I wonder why.
It's just made so tight to
Is it?
fit just around that without anything else, you know.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, I didn't do
You're pretty fucking good.
too horrible a job.
No.
I could have got some stuff a little tighter, but
No, I think you did excellent.
it's
When we look back at what it started out, it's like,
oh, I know.
yeah, there's no bitch.
Well, I think what I'll do for a last final video, if there ever is one, We'll add some of the old footage and pictures from 1932 when we started this project. You know.
Man, you're right there.
Yeah, the grass is just right there.
So a lawnmower blade would have been too low.
Yeah.
We just scalped your yard.
That could be what we hit. I don't know.
Could be a lawnmower blade, yeah.
I was worried, like, well, maybe that noise, whatever it was, finally fell off, and that's why the car won't move. Like, no.
No.
Ralph's foot was on the brake.
Yep.
I do have a new pedal for the gas pedal, the rubber part.
The rubber part, yeah.
Those two are new,
Oh, okay.
but I haven't.
They look used. They look cool because they're not crisp new. Yeah. Yeah.
Our company's gone. I'm glad Ralph made it out. Got to tool around in a little bit. Took it out on the road for the first time with him in it. I kind of knew he was coming by, and I kind of knew I was going to do that. But it was a good time. I think the noise we heard was the battery. I don't have a battery hold down yet, and it bang, you know. Then had to, you know, trying to figure out what gear he was going in, and you know, the pedals are so close together, he was pushing the brake at the same time as the gas. That's why, and then letting out the clutch at the same time. So it takes a little bit of getting used to. But he smiled a lot. Ralph's happy, and that's the biggest reason I did this, right? My old buddy'd been through a lot in the last 5 years, so really less than that. So I'm happy I could make him smile, make him happy, right? That's what we do around here at Junks Automotive. The next few videos, you might even see this one a little earlier in the week. The usual weekend video. I say it's probably going to come out maybe Friday. It might come out on a Saturday, right? It's kind of the holiday weekend, and you know, I want to have you guys have time to do your things. At least here in America for 4th of July. I've got a big gig to play, the Taste of Indy. So if you're in the Indianapolis area, come check out the Pumpkin Holler Boys. Saturday, that's July the 5th. And then right after that, we're going out of town. We're doing a bunch of stuff. My oldest boy's birthday, Cody. Happy birthday, Cody. Early birthday. So, but we'll get a video out later this week. I'm glad you guys stopped in. Just a little short, funny little impromptu thing. We sure had a good time. See you guys on the next one.